Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix video thumbnails not showing up on Windows 11, 10. First method is open folder options. Uncheck always show icons, never thumbnails. Second method is open advanced system settings. Click settings under performance. Check save taskbar thumbnail previews and also check show thumbnails instead of icons. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.